Okay, so we've built our groove with a variation, and now we're going to look at creating a bass line. So we can create a new track, press the plus here, and software instrument, and we're going to choose the ESM monophonic synthesizer. Now monophonic means it'll only play one note at a time, which is a bit like a bass guitar or bass sound, bass line. And it's a very simple synthesizer. It just has two oscillators here that you can mix between, and cutoff and resonance, with a small filter envelope and volume envelope with some overdrive on the end. We can glide between the notes as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a bass line which follows the main groove, and we're going to do another one as well. So we're going to have a variation for the chorus, if you like. I'm going to make use of pitch bend when I do this. So that's a MIDI controller which can be used to bend the pitch. Okay, so let's have a quick listen to the bass sound as it stands. A bit like a 303. Now we can use this drop down menu, and I'm going to choose something like the subsonic bass. Nice and low. Right, I can cut down the cutoff a little bit more. It's more bassy. Maybe a bit more square wave. There we go, nice and fat. And now I'm going to play along with the track. That'll do. So let's record that in. 2, 3, 4. Right, so first off, just a bit of a quantize here, 16th note quantize. Let's get that note on the 1, and we can see this is the MIDI data for the pitch bend. We can also see this data in the list editor, which, if we highlight the part, we can see here it tells us information regarding when a note starts, for example, what it is, it's a note, how long it is, what value it has velocity wise, and then we have this continuous controller, pitch bend, and this has a value starting at 63, which is the center, and then going down to 0, which is pitching down, and if we pitched it up, it would go up to 127. So yeah, there's a bit more about MIDI. You're going to have to know a bit about that for this. And let's see what that sounds like. So it's a bit loud, turn it down here. So not so fat bass, there we go. That'll do for that. And now I'm going to create a variation for this section, which is going to be a bit more upbeat, maybe a bit faster pace. So I do staccato kind of notes. Record 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a little bit of editing. I think the variations in velocity are actually quite good. So let's just first off, obviously, quantize that. I might quantize this to a swing, so swing D. Oh no, not that one. 8 swing D, no, 16 swing D, please. There we go. That's wrong notes. Move them all up. There we go. Make that note a bit longer. Sort of a funky feel. Slightly, you could do something different here. Dun, dun. So some of that. Got to maybe quantize that. So let's see where those go into each other. Okay, drop something out, meet it. So we've just created a kind of variation in the groove, and that's what I want you to do. Just create 2 bass lines, try and make use of pitch bend or some kind of MIDI modulation. You could use vibrato would be another option, and yeah, try and build up from there.